Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Shift key not working on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just right click on your start button, then just go to settings. Then from settings, on the left hand menu, you need to go to accessibility. Then from accessibility, you need to scroll down. And under interactions, you'll find keyboard. Just open keyboard. Then under sticky filter and toggle keys, you'll find these three options. You need to make sure all of these options are turned off on your PC. Just turn them off if they're on. And after that, what you need to do is just close this. And then just go to your search bar. In here, type control panel. Then just open up control panel from the best match. Then just expand this and make sure to select view by category. And after that, just select ease of access. Then just select ease of access center.
Always scan this section.
Then just go here and click on make the keyboard easier to use. And then just make sure to tick this option. Turn on mouse keys, turn on sticky keys, turn on toggle keys, turn on filter keys. Make sure to click on apply. And then just untick all of them again and click on apply and click on OK. This is just to reset the settings for all of these. Then just close this. Then just right click on your start button again. Then just go to device manager. Then just expand this section. After that, what you need to do is just expand keyboard. And after that, you need to find this keyboard, right click on it, click on update driver, click on search automatically for drivers, click on close. And you need to do this for all the HID keyboard device. Just keep doing it. And if it says the best drivers are already installed, you don't have to do anything else. And if the best drivers are not installed, it will install it for you. And that's basically it. And now just go ahead and restart your PC. And that is how to fix Shift key not working on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.